Marine batteries are made in standard sizes, for example, 24, 27, or 31. The bigger the battery you use, the longer the runtime. For best results, use only a deep cycle marine battery. Choose a battery with bolt and nut connections. Avoid starting or cranking batteries. And remember that bigger battery sizes will yield longer runtimes. To install a battery on a new Hammerhead service unit, first remove the mount assembly and set it aside. If you are installing a battery on a resort unit, you will skip this step. Next, remove the vacuum head M power cord from the cart. Remove the rear accessory tray from the cart. Remove all contents from the cart's battery box. Inside the battery box, you will find the wiring connections for the battery. You'll also find the hitch adapter for the service unit's mount assembly, 2 debris bags, and a simple wiring diagram. You can read and download the manual on our website. First, tilt the battery box forward. Put your battery in the box with the posts toward you. Tilt the battery box back into place. Locate the positive battery terminal and connect the wires marked positive. Find the negative terminal and connect the wires marked negative to that terminal. Fully tighten both terminal connections using either a stainless steel nut or stainless wing nut. Tuck all wiring inside and close the box. Note that when you close the battery box, it should lock here. The yellow warning decal on the battery box has important information regarding battery charging and safety. Please review it before use. Replace the bungee strap to hold the battery box in place. We do not recommend using a hammerhead without a cover on the battery box or a strap to hold it down. Place the cord and vacuum head back on the cart and secure the vacuum head with the bungee strap. Replace the accessory tray in the rear of the cart. Your Hammerhead unit is now ready for charging. Please watch video number 2 to learn about marine batteries and our charging guidelines for Hammerhead use. For more information, visit us at hammerheadvac.com or call